Welcome to this video on splitting a document into multiple documents in Microsoft Word. So if you've got a really big document, if you've got loads of different sections and you maybe want to pull out different bits of it, then this is a really nice bit of functionality in Microsoft Word. Just for this video, I'm on a Windows PC. I'm using Word for the desktop and I have a 365 license. So just in case mine looks a little bit different to yours. I know there's tons of different versions out there. Now, if I want to split this document up, I've not got a massive document here, but I've got a couple of different sections going on and a little bit of data. And just to give you an example, we like to keep things really simple on this channel so you can see them working and then utilize them in your more complex documents. Before you do anything, you just need to set it up correctly. And to do that, we're going to use the styles because you need to make sure you've got headings in there so the system knows where to split your Word document up. So if I just go to the top and look at this title, I can see that actually if I go into my styles, that's using heading 1. So that's great. But then I need my other parts to also have heading 1 on them. So I'm going to put my introduction in heading 1. And I'm going to put my video sections in heading 1. And obviously, if you need to add in sections to do this, to split it up, and then you can reformat it once it's split up, then you can just add new text in and make sure it's in the heading 1 style so that you can then go and show the system where to split your document up. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go to the View tab at the top, just in case you've not got it open. Click on it and it will appear. And then you want to go to Outline towards the left-hand side. And you're going to see your document in a slightly different view. Do not worry about this at all. It's just showing you in a different view and it's going to help you to split your document up. If you want to come out of here at any point, you can just click Close Outline View. So before we do anything, we're just going to select everything on the page. The shortcut is Control-A, or you can go and select it on your full document. So all of that is there. And then we're going to go to the tabs at the top, and I want to be in the middle and I want to go to show level because at the moment you can see everything that's in this document, but I only want to see those headings that I created where I'm going to split my document up. So I'm going to go and change all levels to level 1. And then it's just going to show me those 3 sections and make sure it's still selected. And then once I've done that, I want to go to Show Document. So just a little bit to the right of where we were before, I'm going to click on Show Document and it just opens up some more options available for me. And the one I want is Create. And now it just looks a little bit different, but you can see a box around each one of those sections, each one of those header 1s, and it's basically showing me that each one of those is now going to be a different document. So I don't need to touch anything. What I'm going to do is now save this. So I'm going to File and Save As, give it a name, make sure I know where it's going to sit, and click on Save. And obviously what I can do is just come out of here when I have done that and click on Close Outline View and my document will be as it was. And then I'm going to close this down and then have a look at what's been created. It's all really nicely in a folder. So let's just open up that folder. And in there, I've got a few different bits of information there. So because mine had different titles on them, it's remembered those and it's pulled those into new files. So what I can see here is I can see my whole file and then I can see multiple files as well. So let's go and have a look at some of these. So let's have a look at the introduction one. See what opens up. So you can see here it's just giving me that one introduction section. Now it does sometimes give you an extra page, so you might need to do some cleanup on them. Let's go down and see Microsoft Teams. And this has just given me the Microsoft Teams header. There was nothing else below that other than the next header. So that's what I've got on that one. The video sections is then the video part. So the last part with all of that detail in. So what it's done is taken that header and it's called the document that one. So if you want to make it super easy for yourself, then make sure the headers make sense so that when you create those separate documents, then you can manage it really easy. It might give you a document with the links in. You can get rid of that if you're not interested in it and just keep the sections. It may be that you just wanted one section so you can delete the rest of them. But obviously you may need to go in and just clean them up, tidy them up if you had to add sections in just to get the split of documents. So there may be some extra work that you have to do on the other side. But it is a really nice way of doing it. Obviously, that document is in a different location where I've got it from. So that's still saved there. It will be wherever you initially put it. So if you want to see this in action, then you may want to create a folder, put that example document in there, and then put your new separated documents in the same folder. So they're all together and it's nice and easy to manage. And you can see there it's not a difficult process to do. So if you do make any changes to the master document and you want to create a new set of smaller documents, breaking it out into different sections, then you can do this again and again really easy. Just make sure you remove or archive or delete the old versions and then create your new versions. And remember to go into each one of them, make sure you know what you're looking at, make sure it's titled correctly, make sure the formatting is there, and just get rid of any trailing extra pages if they create them, because sometimes they do, but it's much easier doing it this way than having to copy and paste it out and create brand new documents. This is a quick way of just pulling out the bit of information that you want to know. So one to have a go at, have a play around at. Let me know how you get on with that one and what you might use it for as well, if this will be relevant to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.